Question and answer. Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum. In this video, we are going to discuss question and answer under topic inverse trigonometric function. And this question comes from your friend, right? The question is simplify sine pi over 4 plus inverse cosec sert 2x squared plus 2x plus 1 over x. Okay, atas je ada sert ya, bawah tak ada sert ya. Alright. So, this is your friend's solution. So, dia start sampai sini. So, now we want to check step by step. Kita check sama-sama. Right? Alright. This question in terms of variable x. So, we cannot evaluate or we cannot find the value. Okay, tapi kita boleh simplify in terms of variable x. So, means that final answer should be in terms of variable x. Alright? Kita takkan dapat final answer bentuk nilai sebab ni ada variable x kat sini. Alright? So, what should we do? First step. Okay? First, we let inverse cosec sert 2x squared plus 2x plus 1 over x equals to a. Okay? Semua function ni belong to inverse cosec. Okay? That's why kita kena ambil semua ini sebagai a. Okay? So, first step, let a equals to inverse cosec sert 2x squared plus 2x plus 1 over x. Okay, step yang ni betul. And then we need to move inverse cosec to left hand side. So, we can write ordinary cosec a equals to 2x squared plus 2x plus 1 sert over x. Tapi ni tak cukup panjang. Okay, sebab satu ni dia dalam sert. So, wajib panjangkan, okay? Supaya tak confuse, okay? Alright, so yang ni lepas dah panjang ni betul lah, okay? And then, since cosec A is a reciprocal function for sine A, so we can write sine A equals to, we just exchange this fraction, okay? We exchange numerator and denominator, so we get sine A equals to x over sert 2x squared plus 2x plus 1. Okay, sert ni pun tak cukup panjang. Kena panjangkan. Alright? Okay, step yang ni betul. Okay, lepas dah panjangkan ni. And then from sine A equals to opposite over hypotenuse. So, we can draw a right angle triangle. Okay, kita punya opposite adalah x. Okay, so ini betul. And then kita punya hypotenuse adalah sert 2x squared plus 2x plus 1. Ini pun betul. Okay. And then from two side here, okay, we can find the third side using Pythagoras theorem. Kita boleh cari yang adjacent ni guna Pythagoras theorem. Yang paling panjang kuasa 2 tolak yang pendek kuasa 2. Okay. And then kat luar ada square root. Okay. And then after we simplify, no more squared and sert sini. Okay, so tinggal 2x squared plus 2x plus 1 and then minus x squared. And 2x squared minus x squared equals to x squared. Okay, and then we still have 2x plus 1 and then kat luar ni ada simbol sert. Okay, ini pun betul. Right? Alright, then to avoid error, we need to write, okay, our adjacent equals to sert x squared plus 2x plus 1. Tulis dekat sini, dekat sebelah adjacent ni. Okay. Alright. So, now we can find the other trigo ratios. Tadi kita dah ada sin A. So, we can find cos A. Okay. Cos A equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. So, cos A equals to sert x squared plus 2x plus 1, which is adjacent, over hypotenuse sert 2x squared plus 2x plus 1. Okay. Yang ni pun betul. Okay. Yang ni kita tak boleh simplify 2x plus 1 atas dengan 2x plus 1 bawah ya, sebab dia dalam sert. Okay. And then tepi ni, dia sebab dia tepi ni dia ada plus. Okay. So, we cannot simplify. So, biar je macam ni. Alright. Okay. Then, we rewrite the given question, sine pi over 4 plus inverse cosec sec 2x squared plus 2x plus 1 sec and then over x. Ini tadi equals to A and then equals to sin pi bracket pi over 4 plus A. Right? So yang ni betul. Okay. And then sampai sini we have sin pi over 4 plus A. Okay. From here, we can use this formula. Sin A plus B equals to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay, this is some angle identity. So yang ni salah ya. We cannot expand sin pi over 4 and then plus sin A. Okay, yang ni salah ya. Right. So, yang ni kalau kita compare, A kita equals to pi over 4 and B equals to A. So, formula ni akan jadi sin pi over 4 cos A plus cos pi over 4 sin A. Okay. A kita sekarang adalah pi over 4 dan B kita sekarang adalah A. Right? Yang ni pun salah. Okay. Right, then from here, okay, saya sambung kat sini. Sin pi over 4 plus inverse cosec sec 2x squared plus 2x plus 1 over x equals to sin pi over 4 plus A. And using this formula, now our A equals to pi over 4 and B equals to A. So we can use this formula. So it is equals to sin pi over 4 cos A plus cos pi over 4 sin A. So from here, using identity of trigo, so we get this. Okay, using some angle identity. Right? Alright, then from here, we replace the value of sin pi over 4 cos A and cos pi over 4 sin A. Okay, we replace one by one. So we get this 1 over sec 2 times this and then plus 1 over sec 2 times this. Right? Right. Now we check one by one. Right? We have sin pi over 4 equals to 1 over sec 2. Okay. Cos A from here equals to sec x squared plus 2x plus 1 over sec 2x squared plus 2x plus 1. And then in between here is plus. And then we have cos pi over 4 which is equals to 1 over sec 2. And sin A from here equals to x over square root of 2x squared plus 2x plus 1. Right? Alright, how we get sin pi over 4 equals to 1 over sec 2 and cos pi over 4 equals to 1 over sec 2. Pi over 4 radian is actually equals to 45 degrees. Why? Because pi radian equals to 180 degrees. So 180 degrees divided by 4 equals to 45 degrees. Okay? And to calculate sin pi over 4 which is equals to sin 45 degrees and cos pi over 4 which is cos 45 degrees, we can use isosceles triangle. Okay, from here. Okay. Right, since the triangle is isosceles, so we can write the side here equals to 1. Okay, and the other side also equals to 1. And we can find the hypotenuse using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, 1 squared plus 1 squared square root. So we get sec 2 here. Right? And then from this diagram, we can find sin pi over 4. Okay? Sin pi over 4, which is sin 45 degrees, equals to, let's say we refer from this angle, okay? Opposite 1 over hypotenuse sec 2. Okay, that's why we get sine pi over 2 equals to, sine pi over 4 equals to 1 over sec 2, right? And cos pi over 4, let's say we refer this angle, equals to adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 1 over sec 2, right? Kita boleh calculate using segi 3 2 sama ni, okay? If you use calculator, you will get decimal value, okay? Kalau kita guna calculator, kita akan dapat nilai perpuluhan. Tapi kalau kita solve without using calculator, kita guna triangle yang ni, okay? Isosceles triangle, segi 3 2 sama ni. Okay, 2 sama, so that's why kita assume sini 1 1. Okay? The two sides are equal. Okay? So, kita akan dapat nilai ni. 1 over sec 2 for sine pi over 4 and 1 over sec 2 for cos pi over 4. Right? Alright, from here, we can solve multiplication first. Okay? If we have fraction multiply by fraction, we just multiply straight. Okay? We multiply numerator by numerator and we multiply denominator by denominator. So, we get this. Okay? 1 times sec this one. So, we get sec x squared plus 2x plus 1 over sec 2 and then times sec 2x squared plus 2x plus 1 and then plus 1 times x equals to x and sec 2 times sec 2x squared plus 2x plus 1, we get this. Okay, we have same denominator here. Okay, and then from here we have multiplication of sec. Okay, so we can use this formula. If we have sec A times sec B, it is equals to sec AB. Okay, so we can simplify this. Means we can multiply A and B, or we can multiply 2 and this function, right? So after we use this formula, we get sec x squared plus 2x plus 1 over, we multiply 2 with this function, so we get 4x squared plus 4x plus 2, and then plus x over here, we have same denominator. So we can combine the fraction. So we get x, we can put x in front here, okay, plus sec x squared plus 2x plus 1 over sec 4x squared plus 4x plus 2, right? So this is the final answer. Okay, after we simplify sine pi over 4 plus inverse cosec sec 2x squared plus 2x plus 1 over x. Okay, the final answer must in terms of variable x, right? Got it? Thank you. Bye. Assalamualaikum.